clearing your exams.
And now we are back with more entertaining videos.
With you, we are going to have Mein Masti. Today we would be making lavender flower. So let's get started. So we need a green color paper of size 30 by 8 centimeters. Now we need a thin cylindrical object to roll it from this side. We'll take this corner and roll it from here. We have made the stick. Now we will stick it. You need to stick this end. Now we need to cut it from this and this end. Our stick is ready. Now take a colored paper of length 29 by 8 centimeter. Fold it from the middle. Now we need to make a line of 1 centimeter from this open end. You can take it smaller if you like. Now we'll cut this paper from this side. Make sure that you don't go after this line. You need to make these strips neither too big nor too small. To make it easier, you can fold it from the middle and cut. You can take any color as you wish. Now open this folded part. Again open this and turn it. From this end we are gonna fold it. You can see how it is looking. Now we'll apply glue on this side. Now we'll fold it and stick it like this. It should make a bubble-like shape. It is ready. Now take the stick that we had made it earlier. We will apply glue to this corner. And stick it. You need to make a circle and then do the same till it ends. Continue rolling and moving down the stick. You can see it's going down. Now we need to stick it. Stick it like this. Stick it. So now the flower is done. We'll make the leaves. Take a green paper. Cut it in zigzags. You need to make it a bit thin so that they look like leaves. Now remove these parts. See, it looks like leaves. See, they look like leaves. Now we'll give it shape. Roll it with this. Now we'll put glue on this side. Now we'll paste it here. Take it in circles. Around the flower. Now we'll apply glue here. Stick it. So this is ready. Now we have taken 2 big leaves. We'll apply glue here and paste them. We have pasted one here and then we'll paste the second one a bit above the first one. Our flower is ready. Here I have made these flowers of different sizes, different colors of the stick as well as the flowers. Hope you will try them.
We are sure that you have liked our videos.
And if you have seen our videos earlier, you must have subscribed our channel.
If not, subscribe right now.
And to get new updates. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you soon.